I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping a clean workspace and the few tools you'll need: small pliers, a pin, and a bowl of warm water. Remove the outer cap and unscrew the collar. This exposes the pump head. Once done, tilt the bottle slightly to avoid drips and hold it steady, because maintaining control prevents air from entering the tube. Make sure to keep parts in order. That organization speeds reassembly and helps you spot missing pieces quickly. Next, test the mechanism. Press the pump gently to see if the spring compresses and returns. This tells you if the spring or housing is obstructed. If it sticks, soak the head in warm water for 5–10 minutes to soften hardened lotion, then use a pin to clear the nozzle opening and any narrow channels. Be careful not to widen holes. After cleaning, inspect the seal, spring, and dip tube for cracks or deformities. Replace any damaged parts to restore proper suction. Finally, reassemble in reverse order. Seat the spring correctly, align the dip tube so it reaches the bottom, and screw the collar back on, tight and snugly, but avoid over-tightening, which can bind the mechanism. Once assembled, prime the pump with several firm strokes until lotion flows consistently. This expels trapped air and reseats seals. If pumping still fails, try a replacement spring or a small syringe to force liquid through. These steps usually reveal whether the pump needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.